come here for the first time, thank you so much guys for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well and awesome. And yes, today's reaction was requested by a couple of viewers for a very long time. I'm really sorry it got delayed from my end, but here it is. This is a group that I'm going to be reacting to for the first time. This is Mamamoo or Mamamoo. Let me know if I'm correct or wrong. So Mamamoo, the song is hip. This is an all girls K-pop group. I'm really stoked to listen to this song because this was really highly recommended to me. So yes, without delaying this, let's just get into it. Yo! And this time the subtitles are already on, so I didn't forget. Oh, 4 girls. Will be very easy for me to remember the names then. Great. Ooh, I like how it starts. Ooh, I like her. I like you too. Yes! You know what? Is there any bad song in K-pop? Let me know. Because this is just too much. I love her and I love that other female also who was wearing that shimmery thing. This one, the one with the short hair. Black short hair. Oh, I like you also. The song is for the haters, I think. The song is for the haters. That's what I got getting the feeling of. Keep on click me, zoom as if you are possessed. Yeah, this is, and of the media scrutiny or of the social media scrutiny that people, the celebs get. So I think it's based on that. Oh, I like this step. I really like this girl. When she goes. I like her. This one. Oh, she's so sexy. President. Oh wait, I think that's her name. President Hwasa. Hwasa. I am loving her. Whoa! Yes! Oh, this is like a slap to your haters, huh? This song. Like how that was. I think I have a crush on this one. Hwasa. She's so... Oh my god. Her personality is so sexy. She is so sexy. My god. She's so... I love her. Thanks to everyone who provoked me. Yes. Yeah. So this is a completely diss song to the haters, and I like this line that because of you, because of the haters, I'm mentally strong. I'm off, and I don't really care. I'm off to make my next album. Yes. I love such songs. I'm sorry, I'm pausing because otherwise I'll forget. That was written that Hwasa was wearing some ridiculous airport dress. Was she trolled for wearing something when she was flying down or flying somewhere. Let me know. Hip, Mamamoo fandoms. I don't know what they are called. I'm loving this Hwasa girl. Oh yes! Hwasa is completely grabbing my attention. Just first universe, oh wait, second universe, third universe, fourth universe. You guys have to let me know what this means. Oh wow, Mamamoo, I loved it. Wait, I'll stop this first. I think this was a diss to the haters as well as the media, because you know they said, because there was a reference for the airport look, then there was this reference of that step closer, like whatever I wear becomes a beep beep beep, it becomes a my fashion becomes a controversy. So have they been this is my guess. I am guessing that because it was so prominently saying that, I think they have been sort of criticized and judged basis their clothing, basis what they wear and their looks. Let me know. Looks, I don't think they would have been criticized for their looks, because all of them look great. I think I have a girl crush on that Hwasa. I'm sorry, I really don't mean to pronounce it incorrectly, but she was literally grabbing my attention. Whenever she was appearing, she had such a strong personality, so I really liked her, and I loved the lyrics. I loved that, you know, they are saying that we are aware of you haters, but your hate gives me mental strength. I really liked that part of the lyrics also. It was amazing. And you know what, being a celebrity, yes, all that glitzy glamoury stuff is there, but being a celebrity, you get, and now more so because of social media, and we are so closely connected to the internet, you're always gonna get hate. Being a celebrity is not that easy, because now everybody sitting, you know, behind the computer screen thinking that they're anonymous can just spit out venom as they wish, because you know, being anonymous gives you that power. The haters won't be able to say one thing in front of their face. So I think that's really sad, the kind of hate they get. See, I feel that if you are criticizing a celebrity basis their work, and it's a constructive criticism, that okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 are the reasons why I don't like you as a group, or I don't like your music, or you have done 1, 2, 3 things, that's why I don't like you as a person. So those are logical points to hate someone. But I feel nowadays we just hate people for no reason, that oh, I just don't like you. It mostly stems from jealousy, I think. So yeah, that was my reaction to Hip and my 2 cents on the haters. So so yes, haters gonna hate, players gonna play. Okay, sorry. I'm not gonna say the next lines. You all, I think the people who know from where I'm saying this line, you know. So yes, that was my reaction. First time reacting to Mamamoo Hip. Let me know what else I can react to. You know, I am in love with K-pop. I am in love with K-pop, guys. I just love this kind of music and how it is, how meaningful most of the lyrics, most of the songs that I've listened to, the lyrics are so meaningful and nice. Be it a deep song, be it a sad song, be it a diss song to the haters, everything. So yes, I loved it. Thank you so much for asking me to react to it. I know it got delayed, I know, but I'm looking at your request, guys. Please understand, I am just one tiny person, so I will get to it. I will get to it. So yeah, guys, that was it from me today. I hope you will subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. If you have come till the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.